Skill is not a business. Welcome back to BrewFix, and today we're stepping beyond repair skills and into something far more important, turning those skills into predictable income. Many technicians know how to replace a pump, decale a boiler, align burrs, or fix a heating fault, but very few know how to build a structured income system around those abilities. That's why so many talented coffee technicians stay stuck doing random repair jobs, undercharging, reacting to emergencies, and struggling with inconsistent cash flow. The problem isn't a lack of skill, it's a lack of structure. In this crash course, I'm going to show you how Espresso repairs can become a predictable, scalable income system instead of occasional side work. Why most coffee technicians stay broke. Most coffee technicians stay broke because they operate reactively instead of strategically. They wait for machines to break instead of creating systems that generate repeat work. They price based on fear of losing customers rather than based on true value and margin. And they treat every repair like a one-off transaction instead of part of a larger model. Without standardized pricing, without service packages, and without a refurbishing strategy, income becomes unstable and stressful. Many techs also undervalue their expertise because they focus only on parts cost and time spent rather than the cost of downtime they are preventing for the client. When you operate without structure, you're trading hours for money. When you build a system, you're building recurring value. The three revenue streams most technicians ignore. Espresso repair becomes predictable when you understand that there are three primary revenue streams, not one. The first is standard repair work, diagnosing and fixing faults, which is immediate but inconsistent and less structured. The second is refurbishing and resale, which transforms neglected or broken machines into high-margin resale assets. Buying undervalued equipment, restoring it professionally, documenting the process, and reselling it at a premium can generate significant profit per unit when done systematically. The third and most powerful stream is preventative maintenance contracts, where cafes pay for scheduled service, inspections, descaling, calibration, and performance optimization before breakdowns occur. This creates recurring income and client loyalty while reducing emergency repair stress. Most technicians focus only on emergency repairs and ignore the stability that comes from combining all three streams into a unified business model. The simple profit formula. Predictable income comes from understanding the true profit formula behind every job, which includes machine acquisition cost, if refurbishing, labor value, parts margin, and resale or service margin, not just the visible repair fee. A technician who buys a neglected commercial machine at a discount, invests structured labor and calculated parts cost, and resells it with documented proof of service and warranty positioning can multiply profit far beyond hourly repair work. Even within standard repair jobs, adding parts margin strategically rather than passing through it costs significantly improves sustainability. When you calculate profit per machine instead of per hour, your mindset shifts from worker to operator. Income becomes engineered, not hoped for. Why skill alone doesn't make money? Technical skill is necessary, but it does not automatically create income stability. Marketing positioning, pricing confidence, documentation, client education, and systematic workflow are what transform skill into business. A highly skilled technician without pricing structure will undercharge. A skilled technician without documentation will struggle to justify value. A skilled technician without sourcing strategy will miss refurb opportunities. And a skilled technician without preventative packages will constantly chase new clients instead of building recurring revenue. The difference between surviving and scaling is not repairability. It is structure, systems, and strategic thinking. The next step, what we covered today, is the mindset shift and structural overview. In the full Coffee Technician's Business Blueprint, I break down exact pricing models, sourcing strategies for undervalued machines, refurbishment workflows, preventative contract templates, margin calculations, and scaling strategies so you can build a predictable income system around your repair skills instead of relying on random jobs. If you're serious about turning your technical knowledge into a structured business, that's where we go deeper.